Assalamu alaikum student. Let's start with the name of Allah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's our lecture is of class 10 physics. Topic is motion of a simple pendulum. Simple pendulum is an example of simple harmonic motion. What is pendulum? Pendulum is consist of a bob that has a mass m, is suspended by a light string with length L and is attached to the upper fixed point. Bob, you can see that O is a point, is a mean position, A and B these are the extreme position. Now bob is at the rest. At this point, two forces are applied. First one is force is the tension, and second one force is the weight. Tension is applied upward and weight is applied downward. Weight is divided in two components, mg cos theta, mg sin theta. Mg cos theta and tension, these are cancelled out to each other, so there is no motion along this direction. Only weight of the component is remain, so motion of the bob is along the parallel. Now at point O, velocity is maximum and acceleration is 0. Now we bring the bob at point A, velocity is 0 and acceleration is maximum. At point A, velocity is 0 and mg sin theta, that is parallel to the restoring force. After reaching the point A, bob is towards the point A due to the restoring force. Now due to inertia, bob is not stopped at point O, it continues its motion at point B. Now velocity is 0 and acceleration is maximum. So bob is continue their motion to and fro direction. The direction of the acceleration is always toward the mean position. You can see that x is the displacement of the bob that travel. You can see that the picture of the pendulum, you can see that pendulum is rotating to and fro position. You can see that pendulum is moved around a mean position and their velocity is maximum and velocity is decreasing. On acceleration is toward the mean position. Acceleration is always toward the mean position. At mean position, restoring force is also applied. Due to restoring force, bob is returned to the mean position. In this system, we use ideal system. There is no friction in this system. Suppose we that friction is not present in this system. So let's we calculate the time period of the pendulum is t is equal to 2 pi square root L over g, where t is the time period of the pendulum, L is the length and g is the gravitational acceleration. You can see that t is directly proportional to L. When we increase the time period, length is also increased. When the length is decreased, time period is also decreased. And you can see that time period is inversely proportional to gravitational acceleration. When the gravitation is increased, time period is decreased. When the gravitation is decreased, time period is also increased. So time period of the pendulum is depend upon the length and gravitational acceleration. Here you can see are different terms that describe the simple harmonic motion. First one is the vibration. Vibration mean when we leave the bob at point A, bob start oscillating about their mean position. At point A, bob is leave. Now bob reach to B point, then bob return to the A point. After completing their rotation, bob is reached at same point A. Then pendulum completes its one vibration. This is called the vibration of the pendulum. Then the second term is time period, that is represented by symbol T. What is meant by time period? Time period basically is a term that describes the number of vibration in 1 second. And second one is a frequency. Frequency is represented by symbol F, and this you can see this their formula 1 over T. What is frequency? Number of vibration per cycle in 1 second is called frequency, and the unit of frequency is hertz. Hertz is the name of scientist, so their unit is also based on the scientist name, and the symbol of hertz is Hz. Now last term is amplitude. Amplitude, the maximum distance, this maximum distance of the pendulum from the mean position is called amplitude of a pendulum. Now we can explain this. Summarize your simple harmonic motion, that acceleration is always toward their mean position. At O point, V is maximum, A is 0, but at extreme position, V is 0 and acceleration is maximum. Thank you. See you next time.